Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to dive into the glitz and glam of the 2025 Oscars? With nominations that are more exciting than a plot twist in a thriller, we're breaking down the nominees, the standout films, and who might just walk away with that golden statue. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. First up, let's shine a spotlight on the Best Supporting Actress nominees. This category is packed with talent, and I can't wait to see who takes the crown. Monica Barbaro for A Complete Unknown, Ariana Grande for Wicked, Felicity Jones for The Brutalist, Isabella Rossellini for Conclave, Zoe Saldana for Emilia Perez. Monica Barbaro in A Complete Unknown is definitely a strong contender, showcasing her ability to hold her own against powerhouse performances. And let's not forget Ariana Grande because I'm betting on her. Felicity Jones and Zoe Saldana have also delivered powerful performances this year. Each of these actresses has brought something unique to their roles. Who do you think will snag the Oscar? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Now let's check out the films that are dominating the nominations this year. Emilia Perez with 13 nominations, Wicked with 10 nominations, The Brutalist with 10 nominations, A Complete Unknown with 8 nominations, Conclave with 8 nominations, Anora with 6 nominations. Emilia Perez is leading with a staggering 13 nominations, and Wicked and The Brutalist are not far behind with 10 each. If these films were in a race, it would be a neck and neck for sure. What do you think gives Emilia Perez the edge? Is it the direction, the writing, or maybe the performances? Let's spark that discussion. Let's give a shout out to the first time acting nominees. It's always exciting to see fresh faces stepping into the spotlight. Fernanda Torres, Ariana Grande, Mikey Madison, Demi Moore, Carla Sofia Gascon, Sebastian Stan, Monica Barbaro, Isabella Rossellini, Zoe Saldana, Yura Borisov, Kieran Culkin, Jeremy Strong, Guy Pearce. From Ariana Grande to Mikey Madison, these stars are ready to make their mark. It's like the Academy is saying, welcome to the big leagues. Now, let's talk about some standout films and performances that have everyone buzzing. A Complete Unknown is nominated for 8 Oscars, including Best Picture and Best Director. James Mangold, Timothée Chalamet shines in the lead role, bringing depth and charisma to the screen. The Brutalist got 10 nominations. This film features Adrian Brody and Felicity Jones. Critics are raving about Brody's intense performance, which is described as a masterclass in acting. Dune Part 2 got nominated for 5 Oscars, including Best Cinematography and Best Visual Effects. The stunning visuals and epic storyline continue to wow audiences and critics alike. These films have captivated audiences and critics alike. The Brutalist is a frontrunner with its emotional depth, while Dune Part 2 continues to wow with its visual spectacle. Which performances struck you the most? Let's take a deeper dive into some of the most talked about films this year. Emilia Perez, directed by Jacques Audiard. This film not only leads to nominations but also explores themes of identity and belonging. Carla Sofia Gascon's performance as the lead has been described as heart-wrenching and powerful. Wicked, this musical adaptation has brought a burst of energy to the Oscars. With both Cynthia Erivo and Ariana Grande receiving nods, it's a celebration of Broadway magic on the big screen. What do you think makes Wicked resonate so much with audiences? Is it the nostalgia, the music, or the incredible performances? Now, let's get to the juicy part. Who might take home the Oscars this year? For the Best Picture, will it be Emilia Perez or The Brutalist? For the Best Director, Jacques Audiard for Emilia Perez or Brady Corbet for The Brutalist? For the Best Actor, Timothée Chalamet in A Complete Unknown or Adrian Brody in The Brutalist? The competition is fierce and predictions are already flying. Now let's highlight some fun facts about this year's Oscars. Did you know that if Timothée Chalamet wins Best Actor at the Oscars, he will become the youngest winner in history? He would dethrone Adrian Brody, who won just 22 days before his 30th birthday. Emilia Perez has the most nominations for any film this year. With 13 nods, it's poised to make history. These fun facts not only highlight the talent but also the changing landscape of Hollywood. And there you have it, folks. The 2025 Oscar nominations are packed with talent, drama, and a whole lot of excitement. What are your predictions? Who do you think will take home the golden statue? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe for all your Oscar updates, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the Oscar buzz. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.